video I'm going to be showing you a software which is called Video VR 360. Now 2 years ago I bought the original version, and the original version had a bit of a problem to it, in that problem wasn't a problem which was anything to do with this product, which is excellent. I'll let Mario explain that later on, so keep watching. My name's Steve Larston and I'm an internet marketer, and in particular a local marketer. If you find what I'm about to say is useful, please join my channel, so click on the link below and like and subscribe. Now watch the video, and when it's finished I'll show you what I do and I don't like about this software.
If you are a video marketer, agency or freelancer and you work with any type of local business, you need to pay very close attention to this video. We created a brand new, unique and powerful way to get paid as video marketer, freelancer and agency. We have taken the power of 360 virtual tours and we turned them into full-blown interactive videos you can sell starting today. 360 virtual tours are already incredibly powerful, but the problem is that the prospect needs to figure out how to use them. They need to scroll up, scroll down, click around everywhere, which takes time and effort, and it's just not efficient. We have solved this issue and turned 360 virtual tours into highly immersive and fully interactive videos that your prospect can simply watch and engage with. Your prospect just hits play, and just like that, the 360 virtual tour video starts playing, showcasing the beautiful home, office, gym or any other space your client wants to showcase. You already know the power of videos, and now you can create highly engaging, fully immersive and interactive videos of any 360 virtual tour. Because of the pandemic and the aftermath of the worldwide lockdowns, businesses are hurting and many prospects are still not willing or comfortable to go check out businesses in person. Think about open houses in real estate, daycare facilities, doctor's offices, spas or any other type of local business. How will they attract leads and customers and showcase their space if everyone is still hesitating to go anywhere in person? How much money did businesses lose due to the lockdowns? And how critical is it for businesses to land new clients right now? Listen, every single business needs leads urgently. They know it and they're willing to pay for it. Introducing Video VR 360. We developed the first ever brand new and cutting edge 360 virtual tour interactive video creator on JVZoo. With this revolutionary app, you can create full-blown interactive videos of your 360 virtual tours for any business you like, and they will pay you handsomely for it. Prospects can now visit each business virtually, watch a short video and see every room, every office, every space as if they were there in person, all virtually and all by just clicking the play button. How powerful is this going to be for the business owner? How convenient will this be for the prospect? 360 virtual tours are hot right now, and we are the first and only ones bringing video tours to this market. Real estate, open houses, car dealerships, daycare facilities, retail shops, Airbnb listings, doctor's offices, indoor playgrounds, gyms, and the list goes on and on. They all want and need to showcase their facilities. The possibilities are literally endless, and now is your chance to cash in on this brand new and hot trend. VR Video 360 gives you a done-for-you virtual tour and video creator that is easy to use, cutting edge, and loaded with brand new marketing features like gamification and e-commerce. It was created by marketers for marketers. Each interactive virtual tour video is created in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, create and customize your 360 virtual tour in minutes. Step 2, turn your tour into an interactive video and add any call to action you like. Step 3, sell each 360 virtual tour video and get paid. It's truly that simple. Plus, we give you incredible direct response marketing tools inside your virtual tour videos. You can add any marketing feature you can imagine to your virtual tour video and make it interactive. Lead capture forms, menus, social media sharing buttons, and even surveys. Add anything you like to each virtual tour video and have prospects reach out to you directly from the video if you like. We integrate with the most popular autoresponders, and you will be able to get paid to create 360 virtual tour videos for your clients and prospects. Like I said, due to the pandemic, business owners are eager to present their businesses online right now, and there isn't a more engaging, more captivating, and more unique way than virtual tour videos to get the job done. The average asking price for a 360 virtual tour is $2,000, and that is just to get started. Imagine signing up 3, 10 or 25 clients in the next couple of weeks. Businesses are hungry for help, and you'll be a force to be reckoned with, providing a truly helpful solution for a real and very current problem business owners are facing. Check out the demo and examples below. Just see how powerful and easy to use your brand new app is. The best part? During this launch special, you can get your hands on VR Video 360 without ever having to pay a monthly or a yearly fee. How incredible is that? But make sure to come on board before the special deal is gone. You are 100% covered by a rock solid money back guarantee, and we can't wait to see you inside inside the members area. We know you will love it. Within seconds from now, you could be up and running with your very own 360 virtual tour agency, helping clients and receiving checks. So take action immediately and come on board right now.
So what do I like about it? Well, Mario supports his products. They do what he says it'll do, and they're real professional programs that will produce the videos you want for your clients. And they're not expensive. Even the OTOs don't add up to that much money when you consider the value you're getting. So I cannot hesitate but to recommend this software. What I don't like terribly much about the sales page is the fact that it says that the average price or minimum price would be about $2,000 for a video. Now that's just not true in the United Kingdom. In this country area where I live, it's a market town and the businesses are small. There isn't that great a population, so the businesses just don't have that sort of money. But $500, that's easily obtainable. So what do you get when you buy the initial package? Well, you get something better than this, and this is the original and it's pre-release, so that's all I can show you. So VR Agency 360 had a studio area, and that was basically where you would keep all your campaigns and different clients. The 360 creator, well, to create these you actually use any smartphone. Now there are dedicated cameras for producing these VRs, but use the Google Street View system and it produces it for you, and that's completely free, and you can do that on any phone. Now there's the original Video Studio, which produced initial VR type videos as opposed to the sort of video you might put onto any video site like YouTube. Then there's the Image Studio and a page builder which integrates with the pre-built websites that you also get, and more of those I think when it's an OTO that you purchase. And integrations with the mailing apps are substantial. There you are. Now the next thing is to think about, I'll tell you what the OTOs are and go through those. Now running through the OTOs, and everybody wants to see what the OTOs contain, I would say first of all, as always, but particularly so with Mario's products, you don't actually need to buy any of these. You will get a very competent package, and you can make an agency site and do very well without buying any of these. I certainly found that to be the case, but in the end I did upgrade. So upgrade 1 is the bundle deal. Everything in a one-time low price package. So you get unlimited agency reseller, all bonuses of course, and discount. That was $197 pre-launch. I'm sure that will increase. The second upgrade is the unlimited edition. Obviously no need to buy this if you've bought the bundle. Finally, upgrade 3, ready to profit marketing agency with zero technical skills. So you will most probably need an agency site unless you know people already that want videos done on this. This is a great help because you get the whole site made for you. Simply pick the ready-made website, proposals, graphics, contracts, etc. and more, and then you can just get started. I mean, once the site's up, you can start to put traffic to it and start your sales. So there you are, those are the OTOs. I hope you like this video. So why should you buy through my link? Well, I was thinking about that, and I was thinking what would be a good bonus, and I can't think of a better one than to say that if you buy the bundle or you buy the upgrade 3, which provides the website as a package but doesn't actually give it to you on a website, that I would put it on a website for you so that it's all set up ready to go. I can do that, and I will do that for the first 20 people that buy through my link. Now you do have to buy through my link, and you also need to send me an email through my website. Again, I'll put that in the description below, and I'll also say when the first 20 have been used up. And I really can't think of a better bonus to give you. I mean, it is much easier once you've got the website up to use it for your agency. And so if you'd like that, buy through my link and send me your receipt as soon as you've bought, and also showing that you've bought either the bundle or upgrade 3, which is the done for you website. Okay, so my link is down below, and if you have enjoyed this and you think my bonus is good, why not give me a vote? So now all that remains to be said is, if you found this useful, please give me a like, subscribe, and it certainly makes a difference to me if you'll buy through my link, because then I can make more videos like this and provide great bonuses at the same time.